Hi, good family. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome in. Today we're going to make some fire cider. The recipe we're making today is Rosemary's Original Fire Cider by Rosemary Gladstar, and it's out of the book Fire Cider, 101 Zesty Recipes for Health Boosting Remedies Made with Apple Cider Vinegar by Rosemary Gladstar and friends. All right, you guys, let's get to it. So I've already chopped everything up that we need. So here we have the onions, garlic, the horseradish root, and ginger. And now we're going to take all this goodness and put it in some jars. The recipe in the book calls for a half-gallon mason jar, but I'm going to make a lot of the fire cider, so I'm going to double the recipe, which is why I'm using gallon jars, and 2 rows of ingredients. Let me get a funnel so I don't make a mess. I also want to mention that there are a lot of recipes for fire cider, so make sure to look them up and choose the one that best fits your needs. There, that's better. And now we're just going to drop the ingredients in the jars and pour the apple cider vinegar over it. The recipe doesn't give you a specific amount of apple cider vinegar. It just says to cover it by 3 to 4 inches. And so that's what we're going to do. And then what we're going to do is put the lid on it and then put it in the pantry for 3 to 4 weeks. After that, we will strain it out and then we'll put the honey in. All right, good family, so I added the cayenne pepper. It does not give you a specific amount of that either. However, it just says to taste. And so I didn't put that on video just because it doesn't give you an amount. But that's all for now. Until next time, drop seeds of hope, knowledge, and nourishment. Blessings.